What up, Heart Squad? Welcome to another No Limit, No Budget Challenge Oprah edition. You heard that right. Everyone, yes, you are the audience, and every single thing you see in this video will once again go to 5 lucky Heart Squad members anywhere in the world. Simply subscribe to this channel, hit the thumbs up button, leave a big old like, and let me know your favorite starter Pokemon from whatever region in the entire history of Pokemon in the comment section below. You wanna know what we got on par for today's No Limit, No Budget Challenge? Well, we got those detective kits, which I had some left, and these are all, I trust me, you're gonna love the plushies in here. And then that's about it. So we got 3 of those, which I actually need to put them back in the right place. We have some Sword and Shield 3-pack blister packs. I got 2 of these coming up. I think you're gonna love them. Burning Shadows Elite Trainer boxes. I got 2 of those. And then last but not least, 2 Sword and Shield Elite Trainer boxes, which is what I'm gonna start off today's video with. Last week, for last week's No Limit, No Budget Challenge, I also, every single thing, I can't say everything in my Leonhart Grammar 101 once again. Everything in that video went to 5 lucky Heart Squad members, which I will be telling y'all who those 5 lucky Heart Squad members are later on in today's video. But once again, every single thing, no matter what card I pull, is gonna go to 5 lucky Heart Squad members. So, I'm gonna open this up first, hope for some good luck, and yes, you have seen my Heart Squad, one of those days, Heart Squad shirt. Please consider joining the community, everybody. Hit that subscribe button. Join the absolute best Pokemon community in the entire world. By the time this video is up, Psychic, for the Guess the Energy, we probably have already hit 850,000 subscribers, part of the channel. We are 85% of the way to 1 million members in this community. That is just absolutely crazy to think. I am absolutely grateful for this opportunity, and I promise you the videos will keep on coming every Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, excuse me, at 1 p.m. Central, 2 p.m. Eastern, 11 a.m. Pacific. That is when my videos post, guaranteed, unless something crazy happens, which technically right now is kind of a crazy situation, lightning, but I am continuing the videos. Like, I'm just continuing the craziness. All of this stuff was purchased online at Walmart.com. So this is kind of like a No Limit, No Budget Challenge Walmart edition. And yeah, it's pretty cool. Just like this Celebi V, our first hit of the day. But I named this episode Oprah Edition because 1, she's awesome, but 2, she used to do on her show a type of water energy, well, not water energy, but where she would give all of the audience members like cars and different items. And basically that is what this entire month of April has been so far, as we get a Rillaboom Holo, is myself giving back to the community, giving back to y'all. And yes, I know basically the entire lifespan of my channel is all about giving back, but I just wanted to make it, with everything going on in the world right now, I wanted to make it even better for y'all, at least from what I can do. Fire energy. Shout out to all the service workers out there and healthcare providers that, nurses and everybody, y'all are the true heroes and the real MVPs. But if I can just provide anything from an escape of what's going on for anybody, I will do that, including all of the crazy videos that we did this past weekend and last week. They're all right over here in the eye if you want to go check it out. Some pretty big lightning. There we go, Pat's on back. We had some pretty big videos this past weekend. Opened up a booster box from 2009 Supreme Victors. And I showed you my Pokemon card binder, which yes, later this week, we got lots of big videos coming up not including including another Pokemon card binder video and the results from last Friday's one. Fighting Energy. Oh, pats on the back. I'm like, I barely can touch. What's it called? Also, the newest Pokemon card set, Rebel Clash, is coming out in the next few weeks, but I will be doing an early opening. Wait. Oh, look at that. A Lapras VMAX Hyper Rare. Add that to the big old pile. Well, it's starting to get pretty big with everything we pulled so far. Lapras Hyper Rainbow Rare, whatever you want to call it. This is going to one of y'all guys. 5 different Heart Squad members. Be sure to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and let me know your favorite starter Pokemon from any generation. Rebel Clash coming out later this week, early opening. That is the newest Sword and Shield subset, or it's another whole set, but from the base set of Sword and Shield. Now I'm just not making sense. Leaf Energy, but that's the newest one, English. I will be doing lots of early openings coming up in just a couple days, so get excited for that. Pharisee Vulpix. And a summer centipede! I sound like an old man. Wow. This is the first time I've pulled a full art version of either the Zacian V, which I haven't pulled any of those, the golden one or the full art, or the Zamazenta full art. That is actually a beautiful card. And unfortunately, it's not mine, but it is y'all's, fortunately for y'all. This has been an amazing Elite Trainer box. And we have so much to open up. I'll speed up, I promise you. There's just been lots of things to say. Fighting Energy, okie dokie. So here we go. As I finish this box, I am going to say congratulations. On the screen now are the 5 lucky Heart Squad members. Please email me, contact me as soon as you see yourself and your name, and you have to also prove that it's you as well. But congratulations to those 5. That was from the previous week. We have a detective kit. Oh, well, it's pretty bad. You saw my video from last week, which will also be in the eye. It says, look for randomly inserted PSA 8 first edition cards. There is no chance a $5,000 card was ever likely put in any of these boxes. The fine print does not show any odds, which I don't even know if you're legally allowed to do that. Like, you can't just say, oh, we inserted random PSA 8 cards. Let's just show you one that's one of the most valuable Holy Grail cards in the entire world. Yeah, I'm not buying it, but I had some extra ones of these that I did not open because I was gonna save them for a special occasion. Okay, and today's a special occasion. It's the Oprah edition of No Limit, No Budget Challenge, where I'm technically supposed to go to the stores with no limit and no budget. But I've been doing it still just online style because you have to stay at home. By the way, thank you, YouTube. They chose me to be part of their PSA campaign for #WithMe or stay at home. If you find my face in a video, as this is staying on screen, if you see my face on a video anywhere before like the ads are supposed to be and it says myself in my studio saying, please stay at home and open up Pokemon cards with me, that is just awesome. And I thank YouTube for that, but also thank y'all for watching. All right, so this is once again part of the Detective Pikachu plush army. It's an official product. It's pretty cool. It does not make noise. And that's also part of what I'm doing with everybody. So, but here's the big test. Cosmic Eclipse and Cosmic Eclipse. There should be a lovely Pikachu coin in this as well. I'm gonna keep that sealed. And not open it. I'm gonna give that to y'all because it's more so better for myself to actually keep that one sealed for y'all as opposed to just opening it because it's really not much crazy. I already have all the cards and you've already seen all the cards to what you can pull in those Detective Pikachu booster packs. Fairy Energy! Rest in peace, Fairy Energy. Dusclops, Ducklet, Helioptile, Cosmox, Slugma, Drampa the Grandpa, and an Empoleon. Wow, these detective kits are they were $20 each, which the plush is not worth that much, but at the same time, it's still a decent plush and at least it doesn't have poop on it. Leaf Energy. All right, this Cosmic Eclipse Card you want to pull is that hyper rare Charizard and Breaks In, or a Rosa full art, or anything with Cynthia full art style. Naganadel and Guzzlord GX! Well, this is a good segue into my little light, not showing for some reason. Okay. For this, like, here are the pulls so far. Look at this. This is incredible. And these are going to 5 lucky Heart Squad members. All right, now we have to, because I've been wanting to open up this. Burning Shadows. These were only like $31, I think. And it's a pretty old set. I believe it's from 2016 or 17. And it has one card, which is by far still one of the awesomest pulls, because I just can create words all the time on this channel. Was the hyper rare Charizard. Was just such an incredible pull. Let me make sure I get everything from there. Alrighty then. Also, if you can, please do hit the thumbs up button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's get this video to 10,000 likes, Heart Squad. I know you can do it. And good luck to everybody for whoever gets all this stuff. All right, is it 4 cards? Psychic Energy. All right, so this is Burning Shadows, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, you want either a Guzma, it's not bad, Cutiefly, or you basically just want another Charizard, because those are incredibly difficult to still pull, and they're still worth like a decent amount too, value-wise. So, but also I neglected to mention for Sword and Shield Fighting Energy, I have still not pulled the Golden Zacian. That is the #1 card currently until Rebel Clash comes out that I am needing to pull. It's Dusknoir Hollow. All right, not too bad start for that box. And that's it. So it's all about pulling the Golden Zacian when it comes to Sword and Shield. But with all this other stuff that I got to open up in this sets today, Lightning, there are potential pretty big pulls that we can get today. It's been a while since I opened up some Burning Shadows packs, man. Charmander, Mudsdale, and a Bruxish. Back when Bruxish was a rare. But the Mudsdale, I believe, was also a reverse rare. So, all right. Codes for you, codes for you, codes for you. Everybody gets a code of Fire Energy. You technically need to be really fast. Some people are just like waiting for those. Survivor, Lana Del Rey, Tynamo, Cutiefly, Riolu, Rhyhorn, Tangela, Seadra, and an Eradicate, an Alolan one. Forgot about those pesky Eradicates. But this is one of my most favorite series that I do on the channel that I've been doing for months now, Fire Energy. I can't believe it's been that long. The No Limit, No Budget Challenge. If you do want to stick around for my videos, please do consider hitting that subscribe button and notification bell as well. Top of the morning, Feeny GX. Not bad. Yeah, hit the notification bell. If you think it's wrong, please go check it. It's right by the subscribe button. At least that's where it should be. Unless it's run away. That pesky notification bell. But it does let you know, Leaf Energy, whenever I post a video, or at least that's what it's supposed to do. So even though I know y'all will be there Tuesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, Saturday, and Sundays at 1 p.m. Central, it just lets you know, ooh, it's the Duskullab! I forgot about that guy. Or whatever. Two Ninetales. It's Inception with Ninetales. All right, so we got 2 more Burning Shadows packs. We still have lots to open up today. But like I said, Fighting Energy, everything goes that you see me open up in this video. Morlul, Duskullab, Oddish, Tynamo, and Kingdra, holographic card. All right, we can add that to the pile. It's nothing too crazy of a pull. But I just want to say thank y'all so much for being part of this community. It's always a pleasure to be doing these videos. Leaf Energy, there we go, pats on the back. Metapod doing something to a tree. Porygon 2, Letty, Mudbray, Horse, Sandy, Zygarde, Perfect Cell. And there's the Mudsdale, but it's non-hollow. So that was quite unfortunate. Let me get into one of these. More Sword and Shield packs. One, it's the current set, or at least for another few days. But Rebel Clash doesn't technically officially come out until the 1st of May. It's just pre-releases start this upcoming weekend, so... But I guess pre-releases aren't technically happening. It's fighting energy, but it's supposed to be happening, but they're not. No more bead! No bead! No bead! I'm tired of your bead. Wooloo, Shelder, and Cinderace. I'm trying to see any other cards from Sword and Shield that I really need to pull, because we pulled the Marnies, we pulled Professor Research, we pulled the Quick Ball several times now, Water Energy. I think it's basically just that Golden Zacian. It's really not, it's really not that big of a set. It's just the base set. That's why I'm excited for some fresh new cards to open up for y'all. With Rebel Clash coming out, and there are some gorgeous cards, GX. The ultra rare card, excuse me, Metal Energy. See, when I stop like that, I remember the correct energies that I always never say. Baltoy, Chin, Noctowl, and there goes that. Let's get into another one of these detective kits. Sorry if it's just not auto-focusing for that, but I'll quickly get into this box. It says look for randomly inserted PSA 8 first edition cards. So it's not just the Charizard, as this doesn't want to open, but it could be, who knows, maybe a non-holo first edition, which would be very unfortunate. But I'm just curious to see, as in the video from last week, I did open up like 8 of them in one video. Like I said, that video will be in the eye over here. But here we go, another plush. Surprise, another plush. This is going to y'all. Don't forget to subscribe. Cosmic Eclipse. Can we get an Ultra Prism? Nope. Cosmic Eclipse, and no surprise, there we go, nothing. So I'm gonna save that stuff for it being staying sealed. Thankfully, there's no, like, there was like in one of the other videos when I opened up the 8 other detective kits. As this, you need it. Yeah, I'm just gonna throw this on the ground. It included, in the side of a Cosmic Eclipse blister pack, a like little like stub. It looked like a movie stub, but it was actually a price tag from the fall of 2017 for another type of like hatch animal, like something grow, I don't know, fighting energy, but it was pretty hilarious. All right, I've never gotten like, I think maybe just one good pull from the packs that are in these things, but let's see if we can get the exact same card that I was just talking about. I've only had one good pull before, and it was not even good. It's just the GX Ultra Rare, and it was the exact same one. Is that not sketchy or what? An Alolan Persian GX. That was the exact one from the previous detective kit. Why is there a sit? No, I'm kidding. That is just so weird, but it's, I mean, I don't trust those products as it is. I'm not getting any more, or at least I don't think so after this. These are just the excess ones that I've had. Leaf Energy. But I thought, you know, people were loving the plushies, and that's basically what that's about. So, you know, those are for y'all. Phantom of the Opera, Magnemite, Fion, Drampa the Grandpa. Alrighty then, let me show y'all. All so far, it kind of cooled off just a little, but like, look at that. Gotten some very nice stuff. Like I have to say, we've still gotten some very nice stuff. Let's go with the other Burning Shadows. Elite Trainer Box. These randomly will show up like at Target. You'll see them, and they're supposed to be extremely low priced for y'all, but when they're extremely low value or whatever they call it, it's really not, my friends. Oh, there's so much excess. I need to be sure to recycle everything. All right, so let's just, oh, it's like all just everywhere. They did improve how they make the Sword and Shield ones, but let me just make sure. Okay, you get this. There we go. So put that on the side over here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's step back a few years with some Burning Shadows packs. Hopefully the pulls from this one can be just a bit better than the previous one. Leaf Energy, and hopefully we can get some more Ghastly Energies. I think we only gotten, what, 2 of them? Hooting the Blowfish, Sandy, Rhyhorn, Meryl, Caterpie, Pikachu, and a Kawhi Leonhart from the Los Angeles Clippers. Beautiful looking card. I know it's not worth anything, but to me, it's all about the artwork, and that is just en fuego. Kawhi. I will take that. And then basically just, it's one of y'all's now, or at least it will be. All right, why are the codes all upside down? The printing for Burning Shadows Leaf Energy was all over the place. Like some of the cards will be upside down in the packs. Yeah, of course, the printing and the centering was just off. There's some broccoli. It's still a nice set, but like the quality of it is just pretty unfortunate. But all right, let's get into the rest of these packs. And once again, there is a code kind of put in the wrong way. Leaf Energy again. All right, fine, I know. I need to say Dark Energy. I know I need to say Mental Energy, Crabrawler, Ralts, Vile, and a Lycanroc. The Vile Plume was a reverse rare, so that is something that is pretty nice. But let us continue with an upside down code. Fire Energy. And now it's Leaf Energy. Fine. Bodybuilding Dumbbells, Riolu, Grimer, Noibat, Horsey, Vulpix, Tynamo, and Electivire, which reminds me of, it was like the level G, or the Electivire FB card that we pulled in the Supreme Victors booster box the other day from this past Sunday, which the video is right over there if you want to go check it out. Leaf. Now it's Lightning. You just can't get it right. Sock, Esper, Broccoli, Panpour, Raticate. Well, I'm sorry, guys. This box just didn't want to be as fortunate to us. But we still have 3 packs in it, including the upside down codes. Dark Energy. Oh, I should say Fairy Energy more. But then again, that's only like the first one that we've pulled today, so I take that back. Dewpider, Tangela, Horsey, Darkrai Hollow. Okay? I know there's a lot of fans of Darkrai out there, so we'll take that. Next up, read all about it. 2 more packs from Burning Shadows, Fighting Energy. I just thought when I saw those that it would be really cool to include those in today's opening. Another no limit, no budget challenge, Oprah edition, and the mushroom. All right, last Burning Shadows pack. Will the code be upside down? No, it actually wasn't. What? That's weird. All right, Psychic Energy, Dusclops, Porygon 2, Crabrawler, Charmander, Sneasel, Ralts, and Scolipede. How you do this to me? All right, let's get into the final detective kit of the day. Just so you can see, it's completely sealed. Sound like Pee Wee Herman there. All right, so I have absolutely no hopes for the remainder of these, but we'll see what we can do in this final Detective Pikachu kit. And here we go. All right. It's a night you had a baby Pikachu. Congratulations. All right, so here is the plush. No poo-poo on it, so it's good. And Cosmic Eclipse. And well, there goes those. So, oh, a new type of coin. Yay. Alrighty then. So we got 2 Cosmic Eclipse packs. Doesn't look like there's any type of price tags that are on that one. So get into those. See what we can do. Hyper Rare Charizard and Braixen would be just dandy to pull. Fairy Energy, as well as I guess the Energy. There's actually a full art card in this set. The red and blue full art one. Still haven't pulled it. Steelix, nice. Still haven't pulled the red and blue full art trainer supporter card. It's a beautiful card. I just want to show it off when I finally pull it, but I can't because I haven't pulled it yet. So, Cosmic Eclipse is the set to have pulled it in. And maybe we'll get lucky. Fighting Energy in this pack. Misty! Heracross, Araquanid, Oddish, Ruff, Piplup, Vulpix, Rockruff, the Pan. Another Naganadel and Guzzlord. Well then, let us get into a 3-pack blister pack and get into those This is Sword and Shield. So Golden Zacian is back on the table. Let's see what we can do. I actually have Water Energy. Pats on back! Yay! Now I feel accomplished. I actually have been doing fairly well with these blister packs. They used to be terrible, but we'll see if we can actually do something. Not with that one, but we'll see what we can do by opening up just a few of them here. And there we go. Lightning Energy, Big Charm, Seeking, Thwacky, Pinkerchin, Blipbug, Rhyhorn, Min, Chin, and Cramorant. Well, don't think we know. I take that back. I am putting my call in for this pack that we're gonna pull the Golden Zacian. Psychic. Ooh! See, it's a sign. Pat's on back. Here we go. Big Charm, Golden Zacian. Will this be the call of the decade? Because that's what it is. Spooky! But it's a Rillaboom. That's okay. That doesn't count. But that was cool with the Guess the Energy. It's the thought that counts. All right. Another 3-pack blister booster pack. And a hashtag Rookie Gang, of course. Which reminds me of the starters and the whole thing of this video for this no limit, no budget challenge. All of the cards you see today going to another 5 lucky Heart Squad members, which will also be announced in the next week's No Limit, No Budget Challenge. Lightning Energy. There we go. Pats on the back. But yes, good luck to all of y'all. We've had some decent pulls today, so I'm pretty happy with those. Everything was from Walmart, and yes, this is officially called the Oprah Edition No Limit, No Budget Challenge. All right, 4 cards, Psychic again. Galvantula, Air Balloon, Pokekid, Vulpix, Nick, Boltoy, Chin, Krabby, and Gengar. Holographic. So I know I'm a big fan of Gengar Hunter. Not necessarily Ghastly, but Haunter for sure. So it's always cool to pull Gengars. Metal. Had to really think about that one. Team Grunt, Scorbunny, Sinistea, Maractus, Pikachu, Meowth, Toxicroak, and a Zacian B! That is awesome. Add that to the big old pile. That is awesome. That is really, really good. So, we will end on that great note. I'll open up, there's very few things here, but I'll open up the rest in next week's episode. Good luck to everybody. You want more videos? Right over there. My name is Leonhart. Stay awesome, stay positive, and as always, I will see y'all in the next video.